if you create a server in Ethernet to unban a player that you accidentally banned. So this is how you are going to do it. So first open the aternos.org and then go to your server and start your server. Click on start in here. Just wait until your server is starting. Okay, so now to unban a player, you can use the console. So go to console in here, click on it. So in here under the console, you can just write unban, unban a player sample. You can just write unban the player and then hit on enter. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.